I don't even need no. Woo! I'm so Ric Flair, the bitch heard it calling for trees. I'm a nature boy. I'm thinking ankles degrees when I shoot this jump every season. He telling me to get better like that ain't some shit I do every season. They probably think like he's so nice, don't get it worse grieving. Hey, watch your words, you might just end up grieving. I get to swinging my legs, my arms are looking like General Grievous. I get to killing about my dog, something like Keanu Reeves. I already came a long way just to plant my seed. Bitch better peek in with a cold kick, I should have ice cream. Send them up, don't get no fucks, they got nice lean. Send them up, don't get no fucks, now I got back bling. I get to swing with my legs like Sanji, this the Gatling. I'm moving furniture home the Glock, I got the Gatling. I don't even need no, I got it popping it off. First round but the car saw, second round fuck with y'all thought. I might get dog bought, sent to Mike Vick, had a dog fought. Another play they called it out, act like we don't know them routes. She staying hard but acting hard for going on in your head. I wanted to sip on perk, got blue, had a cusso with the red. I ain't even gotta get shit, blue had custo with the hands. Bitch passed me her cup, I spilled it out, it was too bland. Bitch, I tried to gobble me, she went in with two hands. Like I'm Goku, had to box a nigga out, I broke his stance.